lemon juice, and the last thing, paper.
Not lemon juice, guys. Lemon juice when we squeeze it, and the bud inside it.
Yep.
Now I'm going to write something.
So now we have to write a paper with this bud, but we have to dip on the lemon juice like ink.
I'm going to write happy for spread happiness, spread love. I'm going to write happy. H A P P Y. Now a small hat. Done.
So now it is visible. When it's dry, it will not be visible. It will be somewhere flying, 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 flying. Let it dry for some time. After drying it, it looks like this. It's time to reveal the secret message.
Boom.
And now it's time to keep the fire. Boom!
Now,
And now here's the fire. When we keep this in the fire, a secret message will be revealed. You shouldn't touch it, or else the paper will burn.
and it reveals like that.
And this is the secret message that has been revealed. And now it's time to go. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our video.